Whales, the majestic giants of the ocean, possess a history that is as fascinating as it is complex. Their evolutionary journey spans millions of years, tracing back to land-dwelling ancestors. This history not only illustrates the adaptability of life on Earth, but also highlights the intricate relationships between species and their environments. Evolutionary Origins. Whales belong to the order Cetacea, which includes dolphins and porpoises. They evolved from a group of land mammals known as artiodactyls, which are even-toed ungulates. The earliest ancestors of modern whales are believed to have lived around 50 million years ago. One of the most significant transitional fossils is Ambulocetus*, often referred to as the walking whale. This creature had limbs that could support its weight on land, indicating its dual life in water and on shore. Over time, whales underwent significant adaptations for aquatic life. These included the development of streamlined bodies, the loss of hind limbs, and the evolution of specialized respiratory systems and blubber for insulation. The transition from land to sea showcases one of nature's most remarkable examples of evolutionary change. Diversity of species. Today, there are around 90 species of whales, broadly classified into two groups: baleen whales Mysticeti and toothed whales Odontoceti. Baleen whales, such as the blue whale, are known for their filter feeding system, using baleen plates to sift small organisms from the water. Toothed whales, including sperm whales and orcas, have teeth and are often apex predators, feeding on larger prey. This diversity is a result of millions of years of adaptation to different ecological niches in the vast oceans. For instance, the blue whale, the largest animal on the planet, has evolved to consume vast quantities of krill, while the cunning orca employs sophisticated hunting strategies to catch fish and marine mammals. Cultural significance. Whales have played a significant role in human culture throughout history. Indigenous peoples, particularly in Arctic regions, have revered whales, incorporating them into their traditions, stories, and subsistence practices. The whaling industry, which began thousands of years ago, has dramatically impacted whale populations and ecosystems. In the 19th and early 20th centuries, commercial whaling reached its peak, resulting in the near extinction of several species. The blue whale, for example, was heavily targeted, leading to a dramatic decline in its numbers. This exploitation sparked global conservation movements and led to the establishment of international regulations to protect whale populations. Conservation efforts. The latter half of the 20th century saw a growing awareness of the need to protect whales and their habitats. Organizations such as the International Whaling Commission (IWC) were formed to regulate whaling and promote conservation efforts. Today, many whale species are still recovering from past overexploitation, but they face new threats, including climate change, pollution, and entanglement in fishing gear. Efforts to conserve whale populations have included the establishment of marine protected areas, research on whale behavior and habitats, and public awareness campaigns. Whales have become symbols of marine conservation, representing the broader health of ocean ecosystems. The term rare whales typically refers to species that are either endangered or critically endangered due to various threats such as habitat loss, climate change, pollution, and hunting. Here are some notable examples of whale species that are currently considered at risk. 1. Vaquita phacinacinus. With fewer than 30 individuals remaining, the vaquita is the world's most endangered marine mammal. It is critically endangered primarily due to bycatch and illegal gill nets used for fishing another endangered species, the totoba. 2. North Atlantic. Right whale Eubalaena glacialis. This species is critically endangered, with an estimated population of around 340 individuals. Threats include ship strikes and entanglement in fishing gear. 3. Southern resident killer whales Orcinus orca. This population of orcas is endangered, with roughly 73 individuals remaining. They face challenges from prey availability, specifically salmon, pollution, and disturbances from boats. 4. Bowhead whale Balaena mysticetus. While not as critically endangered as others, certain populations of bowhead whales are still vulnerable, primarily due to historical whaling and current environmental threats. 5. Fin whale Balanoptera physalis. Although not classified as endangered globally, certain populations are considered vulnerable due to historical whaling and current threats such as ship strikes and entanglement. 6. Blue whale Balanoptera musculus. The blue whale, the largest animal on the planet, is classified as endangered. While their population is slowly recovering, they remain at risk from ship strikes, entanglement, and climate change. In total, several whale species are classified as endangered or vulnerable, highlighting the need for ongoing conservation efforts to protect these magnificent animals and their habitats.
In conclusion, numerous whale species face significant threats that place them in danger, with some, like the vaquita and North Atlantic right whale, teetering on the brink of extinction. The challenges they encounter, ranging from habitat loss and entanglement to climate change, underscore the urgent need for focused conservation efforts. Protecting these majestic creatures is not only vital for their survival, but also for maintaining the health of marine ecosystems. As stewards of the planet, it is our responsibility to advocate for sustainable practices and robust protections that ensure future generations can experience the wonder of whales in their natural habitats. By raising awareness and supporting conservation initiatives, we can help safeguard these remarkable animals and contribute to the preservation of biodiversity in our oceans.